MY toxic sister-in-law. MY sister-in-law will have her wedding in August, and nawawalan ako ng amor sa kanya. Actually, it's just not about her wedding. There are many circumstances where I felt disrespected. Pero inintindi ko baka kulang lang sa auga ng magulang. During MY child 3 Ari birthday, she asked na sa Tarlac na lang mag-celeb. Sabi ko gusto ko magdagat, and so we went to LU. To MY surprise, she bought dalawa of her friends, her boyfriend now his husband and yung pinsan and kapatid ng husband niya. Without telling me, we ate in a resto and our total bill was almost 7K. And di siya nag-ambag. Ultimo sa resort na pinuntahan namin, per head kas since wala kaming resort nag-daytour kami. And walang ambag sa entrance ng kasama niya. Ito pa, in the middle of the celeb, she left with her biye and her friend na may sasakyan, and pumunta doon sa may sikat na tourist attraction, which is Unibahay na Bato. Yes, they left. Super bastos. All throughout kala mo siya may birthday kasi siya laging nasusunod. Depota. 2, she always ask MY husband na pumunta doon sa bahay nila sa QC, para magpakain ng aso. Imagine we are from Marikina, and the old house na may aso is in QC. They are currently living in Tarlac, and diyan makukontento kapag nagno, katatawag pa yan sa asawa ko. She also created a GC and named it, My Familia, and doesn't includes me. She just add me nung may need siya. I left the GC along with MY husband. 3, she wanted MY husband to shoot her yung photo booth, para sa kasal niya. 6K lang naman daw. Walang lambing man lang as in sabi is, sagutin mo na yung photo booth, 6K lang naman malaki na kasi gastos namin. And since may access ako sa messenger ng asawa ko, kapag usapang pera he mostly call and send text messages para di ko mabasa. 4, she asked if pwede niya hiyamin yung sasakyan namin on the 12 TA of July. Pupunta kasi sa ninong niya, ang namamahalan sa Grab. Lol. May pasabi pa nung una na baka daw di visible sa Grab yung place, kahit antipolo lang din later on sinabi na mahal ang Grab. I said no, nagpaparent nga ako ng sasakyan, tapos hihiramin niya lang. 5, she asked if she can borrow MY extra wedding dress. So nung kinasal ako, I have 2 wedding dresses. Bili yung isa regalo of a close friend. Gusto niya daw may change outfit sa ceremony. I talked to MY husband regarding sa ate niya, 2 lang sila, and mabait yung asawa ko. Sabi niya kausapin niya daw yung nanay niya, but I doubt na sasabihan ng nanay since yung anak nila yung bumubuhay sa kanila. MY sister-in-law is a manager sa ACN. I have friend na ex-friend and katrabaho niya before who always said na, hindi kayang ipaghiwalay ni sister-in-law ang pagiging manager at pagiging simpleng mamamayan. I unfriended her throughout MY sos med na totoxic anak ko, sa pagiging show-off niya, and simple bragging. Take note, she just sent me a yem if she needs something. Right now, I haven't received any wedding invitation and RSC. Sa asawa ko lang niya sinisend, and she has a nerve to ask me for a wedding dress. And no, di ko siya pinahiyam. Edit, di ko nasama, kasal na sila sa Huwes last Feb. She just wanted na may isang engrande pa this August.